Did you know one serial killer turned murder into a twisted game show that captivated all of America? In 1968, the Zodiac Killer didn't just kill people. He turned each murder into an elaborate puzzle for the public to solve. After killing 5 people in Northern California, he sent coded messages to newspapers, complex ciphers that required advanced math skills to create. But here's the chilling part. He included pieces of his victims' clothing in the letters as proof. He knew details about the crime scenes that only the killer could know. His 408-symbol cipher was so complex that it stumped police completely, until a high school teacher and his wife cracked it at their kitchen table. The message revealed his twisted motive. He wanted fame, and he believed his victims would serve him in the afterlife. When police traced his phone calls, he was always one step ahead. He used payphones and perfect timing to vanish. 2,500 suspects later, the case remains unsolved. The Zodiac changed criminal investigations forever, and he's still out there,